Skilled and highly trained healthcare providers can essentially find lucrative employment anywhere in the country. But more and more, they're discovering that a good, well-paying job just anywhere just isn't enough. They also want their work to be fulfilling and purposeful. They want a healthy, enjoyable work-life balance. And they want it all in a friendly, close-knit community and organization where they can make a real difference. And where family, unquestionably, is top priority. Sound too good to be true? Well, these healthcare providers in the Holzer Health System in Southeast Ohio will eagerly tell you otherwise. They're part of a dynamic and rapidly growing company called Ohio Valley Physicians, or OVP, which provides Holzer with high-quality hospitalist and emergency department staffing services, and its physicians, PAs, nurse practitioners, and other providers with highly rewarding careers. Founded in Huntington, West Virginia by veteran family physicians Dr. Robert Hess and Dr. Stephen Schei, OVP has enjoyed steady growth and success by truly understanding and responding to what physicians need to provide outstanding care.
Well, I think it's a unique opportunity for anybody coming on board. Holzer was physician founded as well as OVP, so we come from a physician commitment to care. So both organizations have leadership and are led by physicians. Their past has been directed and coordinated by physicians, and I think moving forward we're going to continue to be physician-led, which means that there's a focus on patient care through supporting the providers with proper equipment, training, and follow-up services.
Beyond its focus on meeting the unique needs of physicians, OVP has differentiated itself by its strong emphasis on family. That can be seen in the fact that several members of the Hess and Schei families serve as leaders in the company. That employees are given generous flexibility to participate in outside family activities, and that employees are often treated as family members themselves.
We feel like, because we're a family-oriented company, family-owned company, that the best fit for us is someone who has those same values, and as we invest into them, we want them to do the same. We want them to invest into our group and feel like they're a part of what we're doing, not just on a short-term basis, but for the long haul.
We want to make sure that every physician wants to continue with our company and not just be here for 6 months to a year, but really make it a lifelong career.
I think that the family aspect, that you're coming in part of the family, that we're vested in you as a person and as part of our group, is a great asset or a feeling to be that you're part of that you are part of making decisions and getting to decide what we're going to do next, that you have a voice.
And since Ohio Valley Physicians generally provide staffing to hospitals in smaller rural communities where the need is often great, your voice will clearly be heard and appreciated.
I say this all the time. The great thing about coming to work with us in these smaller communities is you can have a terrific impact. You have a terrific impact on people's lives. You can see the difference you make. They'll see that no one will appreciate their hard work more than we will, and they'll be rewarded for that. But at the end of the day, they truly can make a terrific impact on a small community.
If they want to be in a highly motivated, compassionate, kind environment that wants to really provide excellent care to patients in a small town communities, then this is the place to be.
Being a smaller community, you're gonna develop relationships with these patients and with their families over time. Even in an inpatient setting, or if it be in emergency medicine, you're gonna see some of the same faces, and they're gonna get used to seeing you there, and they like that because there's a comfort level with familiarity. So that's going to be something that's really important to the people of this community.
It's a wonderful community. It's a great place to raise a family. It's a safe community, and it's an opportunity to build very special relationships.
I've lived in the tri-state area my entire life. I went away to North Carolina for undergrad and thought that I wanted to get out of the tri-state area, and then come to find out I missed it terribly. Decided to stay here for medical school and then practice here. And the tri-state area is a wonderful married to raise a family. I'm raising my 2 boys with my wife in the area, and you're always within 3 hours of a major city. There's always things to do in the tri-states, and then you can also get away and have recreation. You can have fun.
I've always been an outdoorsman at heart. My family and I all enjoy the outdoors. So if that's something that appeals to you, this is a wonderful place to live. It's a very culturally diverse area, which ultimately it's a great place to raise a family.
We are rural based, if you will, but we have a lot of wide open spaces, beautiful hills, people committed to outdoors, and a non-hectic, if you will, as hectic lifestyle as you would get in larger cities. We don't have traffic jams, but we do have outstanding facilities, healthcare facilities, equipment, personnel. So any provider looking to raise their family, for instance, this would be a perfect place.
A perfect place to raise a family and to become part of our family.
I've been an employee of the company for a good while now, and to me there's nothing more important than knowing and sharing the values of a company. So when we say that family is priority, that's exactly what it is. We're really selling and emphasizing the fact that that even within the workplace, that is our main focus. From caring for the patients to dealing with a colleague, and always just being helpful and reaching out and knowing that you've got the support not just of a company or of a superior, but as a family. And that goes a long ways.
If you're interested in the possibility of joining our family or learning more about us and the exciting and rewarding opportunities available to you, contact us today or visit our website at ohiovalleyphysicians.com.
If they're ambitious, hardworking, with a great attitude, come talk to us. We want the best. If that's you, we need you.